Good morning. Today I'm going to be making French toast. It's early in the morning, Saturday morning, and I thought it would be a good time to make French toast. So, first of all, we're going to start with 4 eggs. Okay, and we're going to add a little bit of evaporated milk. Any kind you have, any brand you have. Just a bit. We're gonna mix this together. You can also put some brown sugar if you want to give it an extra sweet taste to the French toast. But I'm not gonna do this now, so I'm gonna later on use the syrup. Okay, so we put a little bit, just a little bit of salt, just a small sprinkle, and mix it. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the milk. Okay. It all depends how many French toast you're gonna make. If we need, I'm gonna make 6. But if I need some more of this batter, I'll add some more later. But for now, we got 4 eggs, like about maybe a 1/4 cup of evaporated milk and just a tiny pinch of salt. Okay, so we're gonna turn on put it in high. I'm gonna add butter. This is a non-stick pan. Okay, so now that the butter is melting and the pan is pretty hot, we'll roll it around here so it covers the whole surface. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the bread inside the batter. And we're gonna drop it in the pan. And we're gonna turn it. They usually use another type of bread to make French toast. It's like a thicker type of bread, but I always use the American bread. Okay, so that's it, the first one. Okay, so the butter. Okay, I lower the heat a little bit. Submerge the bread in the batter. And we put it in the pan. So let's go ahead and turn this one. That one came out nice. Because the pan was already preheated very well. And I left it a little bit longer here. Okay, so you get that idea. I'm gonna do the rest, and then when I'm all done, I'll come back and show you the final result. It's basically the same thing. I'm gonna do it 3 more times after this one, and I'll be back. Okay, so here they are, the French toast already done. I made 6 of them, and it took 4 eggs and a little bit of milk, evaporated milk, and a pinch of salt. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this over it, and also I'm gonna sprinkle some confectioner's sugar. Okay, so the confectioner's sugar will melt and will add a nice sweet taste too. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you the next time with another recipe. Thank you. Bye-bye.